everybody. Imela. Ndebo. Thank you for having me here. I'm very honored. Thank you. I feel so much welcome here amongst all the people. I want to thank you for, this is an honor for me to be among great people. Because that is how I see you when I look at you, every one of you. I see great people. Chosen people in my eyes. People of the Bible, they say it's the salt of the earth. And that is what I see. You bring flavor to everything here. With your culture, with your way of life, with your brain, the way you communicate. It's a true honor for me to be here. Because I only see great people here. So, my name is Ezri Harmusial. I am a messenger from ArtKids Foundation. And I come to bring you a message about the Ohia State, source of life. For the whole area and the whole world, actually. It's a very highly spiritual place, which I know is the source of paradise. I don't know if you hear what I'm saying. Okay. It's the source of paradise. 40 years now, I've been walking through the desert, finding the promised land. And only after I've landed here, I concluded this place here, Africa, Igbo land, it's the promised land. It's the paradise. Maybe not everybody sees it like this, but this is what I see when I look at this place. And I see people around that paradise sleeping comfortably there. So I'm here as a message to wake the people up and to let you know what is here. Miri. Miri, Ohia. Namiri. The supplier of life. I've tasted from the stream already. And I notice the spirit that is inside. It's a lovely spirit. It makes people enthusiastic. It gives life from the inside. I saw it with the elders when they started sharing their stories about way back when you were children. But also the youth, they opened up after drinking. They start sharing with me the stories when they were running, who was the first to enter the stream and swim here. So I understood that this is a special place. And it's been here for generations. Yet, the last couple of decades, we've separated. So I'm here to say, Ibokwenu, let's join and make this something good. Okay, thank you, Amen.